How are you, Benilda?
Hi, Mom. Thank you.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
I'm Benilda, about 48 years old, single, and I took up this pharmacy.
Okay, do you have any experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, Mom. Here in the Philippines, I have 3 years experience as a housekeeper and babysitter. I have to take care of the old lady, 86 years old, and together with the children, I have to clean the room, give them food, cook food, wash the clothes, everything, every household, I have to do it. And to pick up the children from school, go back to school, and they have to change their clothes and give them food.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To sustain my family and to help my needs for their school, and of course to have my own business in case I have to get off.
Okay, so what can you promise to your future employer?
Well, Mom, hopefully if you will hire me, I will do my best. I will follow whatever you command to me, and I will be honest, I will be loyal, and I will take care of your children as my own, and as well as your family.
Okay, so what do you prefer, taking care of? A child, kid, a toddler, or a baby?
Everything, Mom. I can handle.
Do you love babies?
Yes, of course, Mom.
Okay, so can you sing a nursery rhyme for me?
Yes, Mom. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you, Mom. See you in Hong Kong.
Okay, thank you, Benilda. That's all for today, and good luck.
Mom.